places. So old and incredibly old. I feel it's silly not to take a video, and I'm sorry about the rush. It's going to be very quick. Every corner is ridiculously old and beautiful. Okay. Gosh, what is this? Brilliant. It's Monday today, so everything's open after the festival, the Epiphany. Oh my God. Stop. I'm trying to read. Everywhere you look, crazy, crazy. Obligatory pigeons. Okay, entry. The Museum of Battle. I'd like to see that place and understand what went on. Battles were fought, hard fought and won. Okay, so that's half past 11 and my bus leaves at 11:43. Will I make it? Come along and see. Stop showing people photos. You might get there quicker. Magnificent. Okay, big church. Quick tour of. Oh my God, I thought it was going to be quick. Got things for sale. I'm hanging out. Oh,